Welcome, my name is Tom Taylor and this is my multiplayer game development project CI628. The name of the game is Cops and Codgers. The idea of the game came about when I used this asset pack, which you can see in the background, which is a Polygon made asset pack. I used the buildings, the cars, the roads and stuff. This is a pre-built map, but I also used the character pack as well for the character. On the screen at the moment you've got three different buttons. You've got the exit button to close the application, you've got the title, and then you've got the host and join. We used the online subsystem that Unreal provides to provide the multiplayer function for the create session, find session, join session, destroy session. So we've got two buttons at the moment, host and join. Host will create the session, make it available for other clients to join, and then we'll transport you to the lobby where it waits for connections to join it. At the moment we've got it set to number of players 2, so that a different PC can join in, and then we will be brought to the main level. For the client, you'd click join. It would search for a session using the Steam app ID 480, which is just their default one, a lot of people use. As soon as it's found a session and then it's matched to session name, which would be called match type, it then tries to join that session. So I'm going to click join, host rather. At the top left you've got launching match and session created successfully. So it essentially says that it's connected to Steam and the session is created and ready for other players to join. I'm just going to quickly press join on my other device. You can see at the top left it will go launch match, and at the moment we've got a match begins spectator mode. There's a small bug at the moment where for whatever reason on the first run on the server side the countdown doesn't show, and the countdown also on the actual match itself is not in sync. However, as soon as one match stops and another starts, then that fixes itself. So you can see you've got the other player there at the moment. All animations are synced up so we can see each other. For the UI, we've got health at the top left, kills, which is your score, and deaths, which is your deaths at the bottom left, the match timer at the bottom center, and the ammo, both current and max ammo, on the bottom right. We have a quite a large list of animation sets. So we've got the idle for unequipped, the jog, which then also rotates depending on your movement. You've got crouch, which then blends to the walk, which is half your capsule height and half your speed. You've also got jump. I'll quickly show you the match end as well, once it pops up. Again, this is the bug where it's not synced on first run, so there we go. So we've got new match begins. Again, there should be a timer there, it will pop up, and no winners because nobody has scored. So we should start the next round. So this is what it should look like. So we've got match begins and then a timer which has been set. You're in spectator mode, so you've got free reign floating about everywhere, and then you get set again at a random spawn point location. The 1 minute 30 seconds is what it's meant to be, and it's the exact same on the client PC as well. With the aiming, you've got a crosshairs which spreads as you move, constricts as you stop, and then it also restricts if you aim as well. If you fire, a little sound plays and an animation plays, and the crosshairs slightly open and close. You've also got a little tracer there as well. Automatic reload once you hit 0. Manual reload. You also have the play for the reload as well. For the animation for the character, you've got turn and place. After it hits a certain value, it will turn left and turn right. Through a blend space, you're able to aim and move the character. And then again in the blend space, you can all of the different movements for the animation are blended together, along with the aiming offset. So you can go forward, back, left, right, and you can do the same with crouch as well, where half's your capsule height and half's your speed. Right, I'm going to take over control of the client PC to ensure that the replication is working. So you can see that all of the animations are replicated and that you can see them on the device as well. I'm going to quickly get a gun and show you those animations. There's again another bug. I implemented a fix to ensure that the barrel of the gun is pointing to where the crosshairs is. Due to the root bone of the character model, I had to flip the gun itself. So on the owner, so on your session, it looks correct, but not so much on the client PC as well. So you can see that all of the animations are working, and then you can die. So your deaths has increased on the bottom left, and you see that you play the death animation with the interesting little material dissolve. You can pick up a gun. And then if you see at the bottom, you've got the name of the winning player as well. So once we spawn in again, I'll show you a couple more elements. We'll find the client PC again. So if we, it's currently information in idle at the moment, but there is for when you're holding the gun. So it's just something that needs to be implemented. So let me just quickly grab a gun on the client machine. Where everyone is. Each gun has their own unique ammo. If you drop it when you die, you pick it up again. It's got the same ammo that you left with it. So I've got 11 out of 72 on here. Gun. I'll drop mine and get full ammo in. Probably better seeing it if I swap it, and then it will go to 24. The large number is actually held on your person,